What happens if a plane can't stop in time? When the runway ends, right, it doesn't mean the end of the line. This is where a hidden safety net comes into play. This is an EMAS, or Engineered Materials Arresting System, a bed of specially designed crushable concrete. When an aircraft rolls into it, the wheels sink in, grabbing hold. The concrete is designed to crush under the plane's weight, absorbing its massive energy. This creates a powerful resistance, slowing the aircraft down rapidly and safely, bringing the plane to a controlled stop, preventing a potentially catastrophic overrun. Overrun, sink, crush, absorb, stop. A simple concept that saves lives,